Mark and Mandy, welcome to Cetus Automotive, your one-stop auto shop. We do everything from A to Z. Let's go for a tour. Come on. Hey, welcome to our shop. As you can see, we've got courtesy cars. We know it's inconvenient to get car work done, whether it's something small or something large. We do it all, tires, oil change, transmission, but we know that we don't want to take that time away from you. You've got work to get to, you've got kids to drive, you've got groceries to get. And not having a car, well, you can't really get around and do those things. So that's why we offer all of our customers courtesy cars just like this one. Here we are, underneath the car. There's a lot going on down here, and we want you to know exactly what's going on. We don't want to leave you in the dark with anything. We offer a service where we'll take pictures of the work before it's done. We want to put it in layman's terms so that you understand. If the transmission needs something, we'll take pictures and show you exactly what it needs. If the brakes are low, we'll take pictures of the brakes and show you before any of the work's done. We don't do any work until it's fully approved by you. Here we are in the machine shop. When we say we can do everything A to Z, we really mean it. We're the only automotive shop in Calgary that also has a full engine machine shop. We can resurface heads, you can see here, polish the cranks. We can do all that stuff. Take the motor out of the car, take it apart, clean up all those parts and put it all back together. It's your one-stop shop. Everything A to Z, we can do it right in-house here at Cetus. If your company has vehicles, we can service them here. We do fleets large or small here at Cetus. We've got 20 bays, and a few of those bays we reserve specifically for fleets because we know how important it is for you and your business to have those vehicles running. Time is money. You've got to get these deliveries there. You've got to get the parts where they need to go. That means your vehicle has to stay on the road, and we make that a priority. Now, what you've all been waiting for, the kangaroos. Let's talk to Mike.
Thanks, AJ. Here at Cetus Automotive, we support Cobb's Exotic Animal Rescue. So if you come in, sometimes you're going to see baby kangaroos hopping around, or you'll be able to hold a baby joey. Animals are important to us, and we support them with part of our profits going to help these little guys, helping their vet bills, helping pay for food, and helping to shelter them.
So Mark and Mandy, thanks for coming in. Now you know what a one-stop automotive repair shop looks like.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.